In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a contact into a spreadsheet. This is a really useful feature when you want to analyze your contacts, share them with your team, or simply keep a structured list for reporting and follow-ups. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own system. First, start by opening your Contacts app or module in your workspace. On the main dashboard, look for the Contacts option in the menu bar. Go ahead and click on Contact. This takes you to the full list of people and companies stored in your database. Think of this page as your address book, where every entry is a contact that you can work with. Next, you'll need to select a specific contact that you want to insert into a spreadsheet. From the list view, scroll through or use the search bar to find the person or company you're interested in. Once you see the correct entry, click on that contact to open their detailed profile. You should now be on a page showing information like the contact's name, address, and other details. With the contact profile open, look towards the top of the screen for a button labeled Actions. This button usually sits near other options such as Edit or Print. Click on Actions to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu groups together different things you can do with the contact you're currently viewing. From the Actions drop-down, find and click on Insert in Spreadsheet. This option tells the system that you want to push this contact's data into a spreadsheet format instead of just viewing it on the screen. When you click it, a small window or dialog box will appear. In this window, you might see options related to which spreadsheet to use or how the data will be inserted. Now, all you need to do is confirm the action. In the dialog box, look for the Insert button and click on it. The system will then create or update a spreadsheet with the contact's information added as a row or a data record. After a moment, you should see your updated spreadsheet with that contact successfully inserted. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly move contact details from your contacts list into a spreadsheet, making it easier to filter